Hey there! Have you ever wanted to download a file but weren't sure if it was safe? Or maybe you found a link online and want to check if it leads to something dangerous? No worries. VirusTotal has got your back. I've put the link to the site in the video description. Just open VirusTotal in your browser and you can scan any suspicious file or link before you open it. Super easy, right? And here's the cool part. If you have a file that seems risky, you can upload it up to 650 megabytes, and VirusTotal will scan it for you. But it doesn't just use one antivirus. It checks your file with dozens of top security tools to make sure it's really safe. Stay safe online, and don't let viruses ruin your day.